open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are going to talk about this Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition. Yeah, there are two different editions. One comes with this thermal sensor and another doesn't. So it depends on you which one you prefer. I mean, if you need the thermal sensor, then go for the thermal edition. If you don't, then go for the vanilla edition. Well, before we start the video, as usual, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition features a design that blends rugged durability with a premium aesthetic. Built to withstand harsh environments, it holds an IP68, IP69K rating and military standard 810H military grade certification. Its creative and innovative square-shaped rear camera block combined with an embedded rear display gives it a distinct look. The dual-tone grid pattern on the rear panel symbolizes exploration and adventure, making the phone stylish enough. On the left side, there is a U-Smart connector, a customizable function button, and a TF card slot. On the right, alongside the power button and volume rockers, there is a dedicated camera shutter. At the bottom, the USB-C port is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 port, and next to it, there is a cutout for a powerful loudspeaker. The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra also features a 3.5mm headphone jack and an IR blaster on top. The main display of the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition is a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vivid colors. With a peak brightness of 2200 nits, readability is exceptional, even in direct sunlight. The 1080 by 2400 resolution and 395 pixel per inch density deliver sharp and clear visuals for gaming or video streaming. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus ensures the display's durability against scratches and drops, while the always-on display mode keeps key information visible at all times for added convenience. Moreover, it is Widevine L1 certified for HD content streaming. The 1.04-inch AMOLED HD Plus rear display has a high refresh rate. It actually offers easy access to notifications, music controls, and selfies, all while maintaining a sleek, watch-like aesthetic. With a 340 by 340 pixel resolution and 600 nits brightness, it ensures good visibility in different lighting conditions, including different type of harsh lighting conditions. It is really good to have a secondary display because now we can take selfies using the main camera sensor. The standout feature of this Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition is its advanced thermal imaging camera performance. Equipped with a ThermoVia T2 sensor, it offers 640 by 512 resolution and a 25Hz refresh rate, providing precise heat detection. The camera has a temperature range from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius with plus minus 2% accuracy, ideal for both outdoor exploration and industrial use. Ulefone's AI computing enhances image clarity, while Fusion AI technology optimizes contrast for better detection of temperature variations. The independent infrared ISP further boosts thermal image processing, ensuring high-quality results in all conditions. The ThermoVia Pro application simplifies analysis, helping easily identify heat anomalies. The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition stands out with its massive 10,600 mAh battery, offering up to 576 hours of standby time. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 120-watt wired charging, powering the device to 40% in just 10 minutes. Additionally, it supports 50-watt wireless charging, keeping the device powered and ready for any situation, whether on the move or in tough environments. It also offers 10-watt reverse wired charging and reverse wireless charging, allowing other gadgets to stay charged using the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition while on the go. Okay, Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition is powered by a flagship class SoC. Let's check some synthetic benchmarks. Wow! Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition has achieved 7600 in the solar bed stress test, maintaining 81.7% stability, which reflects consistent performance under pressure. Additionally, Armor 28 Ultra achieved a remarkable 2,139,000 score in Antutu, showcasing its powerful processing capacity and overall efficiency in demanding tasks. So, can we actually do some hardcore gaming on this Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra? Okay, powering the Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition is the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset paired with an Immortalis G720 GPU, delivering a 46% performance boost over previous models. The 12-core GPU and hardware ray tracing offer smooth visuals for 3D gaming or content streaming. With 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 16GB of dynamic RAM, multitasking is smooth and switching between applications and games is seamless. I need to mention, the phone also includes an advanced thermal management system with a 15,314mm square cooling layer, ensuring it stays cool even during extended gaming sessions, preventing overheating and performance throttling. We all, the HTT squad members here in this studio, have enjoyed playing games on this Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition. So even if you are a hardcore gamer, you can go for this rugged smartphone. The Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition offers an impressive camera array, starting with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 main sensor. This large 1-inch sensor captures exceptional detail, delivering vibrant, high-quality shots whether in daylight or low light. The snapshot control feature allows quick access to the camera with a long press, enabling rapid photo capture. The 64-megapixel OV64B night vision camera further enhances nighttime photography, supported by Ulefone's Night ELF Ultra 3.0 algorithm and 4 infrared LEDs. It provides clearer images from longer distances, capturing details often missed by standard cameras.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
There is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is perfect for capturing wide landscapes or group shots, and the 50-megapixel front camera ensures selfies are clear and sharp.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Well, when it comes to 4K videography, the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition performs way better than its competitors. Whether filming adventures or creating vlogs, the phone delivers sharp, detailed videos, making it an ideal choice for both photography and videography enthusiasts. Out of the box, Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra runs on Android 14. But don't worry, it will receive an OTA update to Android 15 by second quarter of 2025. The device features AI-powered functions, including AI removal and background optimization, enhancing overall performance. Actually, Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra runs on stock Android, so yeah, the performance is super smooth. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition. I guess I have covered everything, But if you have any other specific question, don't forget to ask that question in the comment section. So, what do you think? How good is this Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra? If you ask me, then I think it is even better than many other flagship smartphones. I mean, those mainstream flagship smartphones. And don't forget that this is a rugged smartphone, yet it has an amazing appearance and provides flagship class performance. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.